Hey guys, we're doing a quick unboxing of this cable. So let's just get started. I'm gonna show you around the box. You guys always like to see any details that you really can't see in the website sometimes. And that's about it. So those are the details. Let's just open this baby up. Okay, so what do we get in here? That's it. Alright, so this is it again. And we get a manual, which, yeah, most of you will just throw away. And here it is. Now this looks really good quality. And the thickness, let me just open this up. So right away, yeah, that's my first impression. Quality-wise, looks good. If I can only get this on tight, it would be great. There we go, finally. Alright guys, so here's a close-up. There we go, alright. So this is what you guys are buying. This is why this is important. Okay, these two. So let me just do a close-up for you guys. You can see exactly what you're getting. Okay, just get that in focus. There we go. Okay, so it does have this standard. So you guys can keep it nice and tight in there. It's long enough so you guys can do that. I know it's annoying when they're too short and you guys can't really move this around. In this case, long enough. There's not much to show for this cable in an unboxing video, but I know these ends is what we're looking at and what we're looking for when we're buying this. Now, thickness of the cable, I don't know, to give you a good idea how thick this is compared to something, I guess I could bring in a pen. So let me just bring in a pen. So here's an old pen. That's the thickness of the cable. So, because I am a little bit impressed by the thickness of the cable. I like thick cables because I know they will last, they won't break easy. And that's what I'm looking for when I'm looking for quality. So that's the thickness. You guys can get a good idea of how thick this is. Okay. Now you are looking at 2 meters. Okay, so this thing is 2 meters. And yeah, it looks 2 meters for sure. I don't think they screwed me over like that, which they didn't. But yeah, a lot of you guys are gonna be using this, well, for various reasons. It's not just one application, like it tells you right here. Not really. This goes for a lot of applications. And yeah, if you're techie, for sure, you guys will be looking for this. If you're looking for older stuff to connect to newer stuff, or vice versa, this is what you guys need. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing video. There's not that much to show you guys. However, again, what we're looking at is a close-up shot, so you guys can see exactly what you're buying when you're buying these 2 cables. Okay. So that's exactly what you're getting when you're buying these 2 cables. I will be doing a setup video and a review later on. I can't see why I would do a bad review on these cables because, again, I'm pretty impressed by the thickness, so I like that. I know these cables and they look like they will last. So I will be doing a review regardless. After a few months of using them, I will be doing a setup video for various applications so you guys can see what you can use this for and what it works for. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys like to see more stuff from these guys, or if you guys would like to know how it went with this thing, even if you guys don't see the video in my channel yet, you guys can always leave a comment down here below and I will get back to you. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here below in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.